In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a website using Canva AI. So start by heading over to Canva AI. Then next, select Design. Then here, enter your prompt like this. Just keep in mind that the more specific and detailed you are with the prompt and the design that you want for your website, the better results you'll get. The next is press the submit button so that AI will start generating your website. Canva AI will then generate a website layout with sections like homepage, about, and services. So just pick a design that you like. Then next, start customizing your site. Edit the texts, upload images, and change colors. You can even add buttons or links, so edit it the way you need it to be. And once done, click on Publish Website. But before doing this, make sure that you see a preview of your site just to make sure that everything looks good both on desktop and mobile view. And once you click on Publish Website, your site will then go live, and you can even use a free Canva domain or connect your own. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!